Good morning. This is Asha here from the Department of Mechanical Engineering. Today I'll be discussing on linear programming problems, how to solve the linear programming problems using graphical method. So we have a problem that tells the objective function is to maximize. So maximize z equals 2x1 plus 3x2 subject to constraints x1 minus 2x2 lesser than or equal to 0, 2x1 minus x2 lesser than or equal to 0, x1 minus x2 lesser than or equal to 0. And we have the non-negativity constraint x1 comma x2 greater than or equal to 0. So first step in graphical method is to convert these inequalities into equal sign and substitute the value of x1 is equal to 0, find out x2 and x2 is equal to 0 and x1 value you have to find out. Similarly, you have to find out for all the three equations. So we have this equation. First equation we have written that in red. So this will be the first equation, second one in green color and third one in blue color. So we have solved this, we will get x1 as 0, x2 as 0 for all the three. So here we know only the origin point, how to extend that line, that angle we don't know. So in order to find out that angle, we know that always the slope will be equal to that is represented as m that is equal to tan theta. So in order to find the angle, it will be tan inverse of that slope. We'll take one example to how to calculate the angle, so that will be useful for our problem. Take an example, equation is 3x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 6. So we'll write in terms of x2. So it will be 2x2 will be equal to 6 minus 3x1. So x2 will be equal to minus 3 by 2 x1 plus 6 by 2. So it is of the form y is equal to mx plus b. So if you want the slope here is minus 3 by 2. So theta is equal to tan inverse of minus 3 by 2, that is equal to minus 56.3 degrees. Similarly, this type you have to apply in our problem. So first equation it says x1 minus 2x2 is equal to 0. So 2x2 will be equal to x1. x2 will be equal to 1 by 2 of x1. So angle will be tan inverse of half will be equal to 26.33 degrees for the first equation. Similarly, for the second equation, it is 2x1 will be equal to x2. x2 will be 2 times of x1. So here the slope value is 2. So angle is tan inverse of 2 is 63.43 degrees for the second equation. Similarly, the third equation is x1 minus x2 lesser than or equal to 0. So here x1 is will be equal to x2. So the angle that is tan inverse of 1 will be equal to 45 degrees. Here we know only one point, that is the origin. From there how we have to extend that line using these angles, we have to extend the line. So this is the graph representing. The red one is the first one, this is the second, and the blue one is the third equation. So first one, we know the angle is 26.33. From the origin, draw an angle of 26.33 and extend the line along that inclination. Second is 63.43. So draw an inclination line equal to 63.43 and from the origin extend that line. Again, third is 45 degree, draw an inclination line equal to 45 degree. So we get three slopes or the three straight lines passing through the origin. So in order to check how these arrow marks we have to write. So first see the equation x1 minus 2x2 is lesser than or equal to 0. So take any point below that line. So take an example of we have 8 comma 2. So x1 is 8 and x2 is 2. So apply in this equation. So 8 minus 2 into 2, that is 4. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. So 4 is lesser than or equal to 0. No, it doesn't satisfy. So arrow mark will be away from the origin. Okay. So similarly for the rest of the two equation also, it is away from the origin. So my feasible region will be lying whatever I have drawn here above this equation 2. This is the feasible region. So since it is unbounded, the shaded area is open-ended. That is, the problem is unbounded type of problem. So in maximization problem, if the shaded area is open-ended, that means the maximization is not possible and the LPP has no finite solution. Hence, the solution of the given problem is unbounded. Thank you.